Some solutions for coping with acid reflux. Does the thought of an ooey, gooey grilled cheese sandwich make you cringe? Or does a peanut butter and jelly sandwich make your esophagus close up tightly? Sounds like you have acid reflux and need answers for your problem. They're found in the video below, which details how to deal with your dilemma. GERD is more likely to occur when you are overweight. When you're carrying too much fat, the opening located in the lower part of the esophagus will relax. By losing weight and trimming your midsection, your sphincter will tighten up as well, which will help to prevent acid reflux. It is important to avoid vigorous exercise if you deal with GERD. When you are compressing the stomach violently, you'll find that acid makes its way up into your esophagus. Instead, engage in moderate activity which helps you lose weight, stay in shape, and yet ensures that acid stays where it belongs. Never skip a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you skip even one meal, you are not putting anything into your stomach, allowing acid to intensify. If you do not feel hungry during a meal time, you could always eat a little something, like a banana or apple. To help avoid acid reflux, take your time and chew your food slowly. This technique helps you to avoid overeating. When you overeat, food is pressed in the top of your stomach, thus, it allows stomach acids to build up in your esophagus. For best results, eat small meals often. Now you can avoid the grilled cheese and peanut butter sandwiches and instead focus on eating right for your condition. You can alter your lifestyle to include habits which are beneficial to your comfort. Once you start making these changes, feeling great won't be far behind, so get down to work today. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.